Hey folks, welcome to the Wormy garden. Struggling with poor soil? Listen, we've all been there. It breaks my heart when my plants are struggling, you know? It's like they're trying to tell us something ain't right. But don't you worry, because in today's video, we're gonna show that soil some love and fix those common problems so you can grow a garden so thriving, so abundant, it'll make your heart sing. Are you ready? Let's get our hands dirty. All right, y'all, let's talk about soil. Soil is like the foundation of a house. It's the base for everything. If your soil is sad, your plants are going to be sad too. They can't grow big and strong without good soil. No matter how much sunshine or water you give them, it's just not going to happen. But listen, don't you worry your pretty little heads, because today, we're going to learn how to make that soil happy. We're going to give it all the good stuff so it can nourish our plants and help them thrive. We're going to break it down step by step, just like a delicious recipe. And by the end of this video, you're going to be a soil expert. You'll be able to look at your soil and know exactly what it needs. First things first, we got to get to know our soil, right? Just like getting to know a new friend. And the best way to do that is with a soil test, honey. A soil test is going to tell us all the important stuff, like the pH level, which is like the soil's mood, and the nutrient content, which is like the soil's diet. Now, these tests are super easy to do. You can grab a kit from your local garden center, or even send a sample to a lab. Trust me, it's worth it. Now that we know what our soil needs, it's time to feed it. And the best food for soil is organic matter. Think of it like a big old buffet for your soil. Compost, aged manure, leaf litter. These are all like superfoods for your soil, y'all. They add all those essential nutrients that we're missing and make the soil nice and fluffy. Take about 3 to 4 inches of that good stuff and mix it into your soil. It'll help the soil hold on to water like a sponge and give your plants a slow and steady release of nutrients. It's like a gift that keeps on giving. Now, just like we don't like to be too wet, our plants don't either. If your soil is heavy, like clay, it can hold on to too much water and make the roots sad and soggy. So how do we fix that? Well, we can add some chunky stuff to the soil, like coarse sand. It's like adding air pockets so the water can drain easily. Another option is to create raised beds. It's like giving your plants their own little swimming platforms so their roots can stay high and dry. Okay, now let's talk about pH balance. Remember how we said it was like the soil's mood? Well, if the pH is too high or too low, it can make the soil grumpy, and the plants won't be able to absorb all those good nutrients we've been adding. Don't worry, we can adjust it. If the soil is too acidic, we can add some lime to sweeten it up a bit. And if it's too alkaline, we can add some sulfur to bring it down. It's all about finding that perfect balance, just like in life. All right, we've done so much good work, now let's protect our soil, okay? Mulch is like a warm blanket for our soil. It helps keep the moisture in, prevents weeds from growing, and as it breaks down, it adds even more nutrients to the soil. It's like a win-win-win, and during the off-season, we can plant cover crops like clover or ryegrass. They're like little soil superheroes that add nutrients back into the ground and prevent erosion. Now, just like with anything else, our soil needs a little love and maintenance to stay healthy. Avoid tilling your soil too much. It can make it compacted and sad. Keep adding that good organic matter, mulch regularly, and water your plants deeply but not too often. Remember, healthy soil equals happy plants, and happy plants equal a happy gardener. Now that you know how to fix your soil, you're on your way to a lush and thriving garden. Remember, just like we nourish our bodies with good food, we gotta nourish our soil too. It's all connected, y'all. So go out there, get your hands dirty, and grow something beautiful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your soil questions below. And remember, every little step we take to care for our earth makes a difference. Keep shining your light, and I'll see you in the next video.